Peter u xek parissa. Peter?
Nicholas.
Nicholas, sorry, Nicholas. Nicholas, xek krafter u xek. Ejja, Nicholas. Sorry? Belgian artisanal chocolate, okay. Welcome to another Malta Network Resources video. I'm at the Intercontinental Malta, where there is a fair, international Christmas Fair 2022. Proceeds go to these charities: St. Jeanne, Antide Foundation, SOAR Service and FIDEM Charity Foundation. Organised by the Association of International Women in Malta, which you can find on their website and on Facebook. Let's have a look what you'll find here. Table. And jewellery from Turkey. Beeswax candles and hope by Padre Pio. Glory to Ukraine, Slava Ukraine, the banner. Atelier Manuel, the recycled wood. These are from Malta, you can see the works here. What else we have here? We have some home-baked goodies made with love. More stuff over there. So let's now see what we have here. Here we have more stuff. I don't know what that is. Beeswax candles, probably candles. Hi. Okay, they're doing some lace. Some more tables here. They're very busy, so these are pralines, chocolates. Okay, so chocolates and stuff you can buy. French. And this is the jewelry, as I said before. Oh no, let's see what else we can find. There's something else in there. We have a list of the participants. Okay. We have a face painting section for children. They paint their faces. Let's see what we have here. Blenderette, I think. More.
Right, Kirsty, would you come and for the next prize, please? Ticket, I should say. The next prize is 2 sculptures.
Quite a few people here. Artwork, artisans, I think, in Malta. There's more art. Miniature paintings. Right. Some clothes. Bargain corner, 10 euros. Christmas stuff, finally, because this is a Christmas themed event. So, Switzerland and Malta, in Mijpa, beeswax candles, I presume, 100% beeswax candles. Win a bottle, you can win a bottle.
Okay, the next prize. Where is Ella? Ella? Ella! Can you come and draw a prize? No? Okay. Susan Hoover is going to draw a prize in the place of Ella. Come along. So Susan, mother, no. and presenter of all things lovely is going to draw a prize. And the prize is a colour cut and blow dry at Kamigama Salon in Antide.
Living studio. People sitting down. Not sure what's going on, what they're doing there. Here we have 100% recycled materials, stone, glass, Gisella, Gioielli at gmail.com. If you are interested, you can get in touch. Here's the number of corks.
Can I introduce you to Sue Stevenson, who is president of AIW? And good on Sue for here at the helm. Right, thinking about the prize is a night at Hotel Chicken Spa in
Christmas message box. So these are all chocolate tree and chocolates, Malta chocolates, so chocolates made in Malta. You can buy these. You can guess the weight of the cake. Burlesque candles. Zafiri. Other stuff this time, I think they're Japanese probably. Makeup, I think. And some calendar. Treasures of good food. More clothes. Eggs, new experience. Your one-stop shop for unique, fine-quality egg art. Exclusive and personalized cake toppers and souvenirs, egg art and craft supplies, egg art lessons, children's craft parties. And here we have 12 deals of Christmas. Mediterranean Brainer Spine Center. We wish you a Merry Christmas. So they're offering packages. Packages. IQ test. Silk. Silk scarves. Bags, wallets, jewelry, Vera Ganderson jewelry. Here we have sanitizers and some other natural essential oils. They're selling here, they're selling toys. Nothing. Tombola. As you can win some tombola. Here I have some masks. Gold rate. Peter, Peter.
Nicholas.
Nicola, sorry, Nicola. Nicola, sit crafter, ux? Ejja, Nicola.
Ġuri dejna
Ejja, fil-Comic Con. Tajja. Mela, tajli ftit fuq l-istent tiegħek.
Mela, l-lum għana affarijiet, diversi affarijiet, għana keychains, 3D prints, kollha dizinjati, dizinjom jina fil-3D software, niprintjom, xi kultant intihom iż-żabba kif qed taraw hawnhekk.
Ok. Tajjeb, għandek venim ukoll.
Ftit minn ħafna affarijiet.
Tajjeb. Jgħataw hekk ukoll. U passoltu jsibuk the Sit Crafter. They can find you Sit Crafter on Facebook, Instagram, etc. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. Awesome. We have perfumes and lipstick, makeups, stuff like that. Something for children also. I think shampoo gels for children. Some cakes. It's nice to see people that you know. This time from the Malta Comic Con. Some of the things are well presented. I think it's nice. Jewelry again. And this is artisanal spice blends. Guido's Spice Corner. I think I've seen him before. So these are all spices. You can buy spices. Some signs like family or all you need is love and the cat. So crazy dogs live here. Welcome. We hope you like dogs. Our life is better with cats. Now we have some small hats, Christmas hats, stuff like that. So this is probably my first Christmas video. I'm wearing the Merry Christmas jumper. So here we have someone dressed in a very Christmassy, and there are a number of Grand Raffle prizes here. So I think I've seen most of the stands. So we can stop. We walk and we'll stop outside. So here. Hello. Right.
Belgium artisanal chocolates.
Sorry?
Belgium artisanal
Artisanal chocolates,
You
okay.
have 4 different chocolate makers here on the table.
Very good.
This side is more the traditional one.
Okay.
This chocolate maker proposes you praline sugar-free.
Okay.
This one is making the chocolate from the beginning of the process. So it's working from the beans to the bar.
Okay.
And this one have been twice in the Goemio. Last year to be the discovery of the year, and this year to be the fine chocolate maker of the year.
Very good. If someone is interested and they would like to buy them after today, and they see my video on YouTube, how can
I
they?
live in the islands.
Sorry?
I live here in the islands.
Okay,
On the islands.
okay.
So you
have
order
a-
online.
Okay, you
and
have a
I deliver
Facebook
at
page
home.
or?
Yes,
Okay.
we have a Facebook
Good.
page, we
Yeah,
have an
that's good.
Instagram page. I
Alright.
don't have visit cards anymore. I can
Okay.
give you a sticker.
All right.
My
Thank you.
phone number will be on it, and
Okay.
the website.
All right. And I can list them also on my YouTube, okay, in the description, or show them in the video. All right.
Please. Thank you very much.
Welcome. All right. Thank you. Well
Thank
done.
you. Bye.
Congrats. Oh, thank
Okay.
you. Good day. Thank you. We have Father Christmas here. There's Santa Claus. I think I've seen everything here. So let's now use this imagery and I'll end this video. So now, don't forget to subscribe please if you're new. And like this video, please share it with your friends and check out this interesting video which is being suggested to you. Okay, you can keep on watching, don't stop, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye from Malta Network Resources. It's the beginning of my Christmas videos.
Support this channel by joining now. Become a member. Click the join button.